question. Are you still wasting hours on long boring JavaScript tutorials and still confused? It's 2025. Let's stop learning the hard way. I will show you how to learn JavaScript smarter, faster, and actually get results. And stick around, I will share a simple trick at the end that could literally cut your learning time in half. Let's be real. The old way of learning JavaScript just doesn't work anymore. You sit through 6-hour tutorials, don't practice much, and end up forgetting everything. You keep building the same to-do app over and over, but it never feels useful. Sounds familiar? Yeah, same here. But in 2025, there's a smarter way. It's faster, practical, and yes, it even includes using AI to make things easier and clearer. Let me show you how. Don't just sit and watch tutorials, start building real stuff from day one. Even something super simple like a code generator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is a great starting point. Once that's working, take it a step further and make it fetch real codes from an API. This hands-on approach helps you actually understand how the DOM works, how to handle events, and how APIs connect everything. And here's a little bonus tip. Every mini project you build, save it. You are not just practicing, you are also building a portfolio without even realizing it. Use AI tools like ChatGPT not as a shortcut but as your smart study buddy. Instead of struggling alone, ask it to explain confusing code in simple terms or have it quiz you with JavaScript questions to test your understanding. You can even use it to review your code and catch mistakes you might have missed. Here's a unique trick. Take a small JavaScript function and ask AI to break it down line by line like you are 12 years old. You will be surprised how fast and clearly you start to understand things. Honestly, it's way better than most textbooks. In 2025, we are lucky to have some seriously powerful and free tools to make learning JavaScript easier. Start with JS Tutor. It visually shows how your code runs step by step, which is perfect for understanding what's really happening behind the scenes. Then there's CodePen and JS Fiddle, great for testing small code snippets without setting up a full project. If you want to sharpen your logic, try solving beginner level problems on lead code. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a difference. And if you are using VS Code, make sure to install the live server extension to see changes instantly as you code. Pro tip, try out Quokka.js. It shows live JavaScript output right inside your editor. Forget spending time on theory that won't help you get hired. Instead, focus on the JavaScript skills that companies really want, like manipulating the DOM, working with the Fetch API, using local storage, and mastering the basics of ES6 features like let, const, arrow functions, and promises. Also learn how to create reusable components because that's a big deal in real projects. Here's a tip. Every time you learn a new concept, build a small project that uses it. This way you will understand it way better and faster, like 10 times better. Instead of studying JavaScript by going chapter by chapter like day 1 variables, day 2 loops, try learning with clear goals in mind. For example, set a goal to build a weather app. While working on that, you will naturally pick up important skills like manipulating the DOM, fetching data from APIs, using conditionals, and handling async await. This way your motivation stays high because you are always working towards something real and useful, not just taking off random topics. One of the smartest ways to really learn JavaScript is to start teaching what you have learned. Even if it's just sharing quick tips on Instagram or YouTube Shorts, when you explain things to others, you are actually revising your own understanding and spotting any gaps in your knowledge. It's a powerful trick that helps you remember and understand concepts way better. If you have watched till the end, I have a little surprise for you. I have linked some awesome resources in the description to help you get started right away. And if you want me to make more videos on topics like this, just drop a comment below and let me know. Remember, you don't need a full course before you start building. Just follow these steps, build fast, use AI as your study buddy, and level up smartly. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real helpful tech tips.